Hey friends, James Clancy here with a new tips and tricks video. Today I want to show some of the enhancements we've made around components. So let's jump over to Figma and check this out. I've already ran Locofy and scanned these components. We know that we've created components for this section, and what I want to do is I want to show if we were to edit this project. Let's go into Style and Responsiveness. Let's click on one of these items, and if I click into Listing, let's edit that. One thing I want to do is go in and let's add a hover effect. So when we hover over these items, it adds a shadow. This will make it more realistic and make the whole thing interactive. But I want to call out something here. At this bottom, we have this thing that says apply changes to all instances of the component. So since I have that checked, all of these items will get the hover effect, and you can see that go. If I unselect them, it will only apply to the single instance I was doing. In most instances, you want to apply it to everything. That's why you have components. So for here, I'm just going to leave that selected, and I'm going to click Save and Done. Thanks again for watching, and happy developing.